Hello fellow traders, welcome back to Logic Forex Academy. And today I'll be teaching you a 1 minute time frame scalping strategy. This strategy is mainly for scalping, for 1 minute time frame. You can use it for 5 minute time frame as well, but mainly I prefer that you use it for 1 minute time frame. So let me show you the settings first before I move on to teach you how to use it to place your buy and sell orders. Okay, so first you plot your parabolic SAR on it. So these are settings for the parabolic SAR, the normal settings for the parabolic SAR. Then you go to moving average. The moving average is 50, period 50, exponential, apply to close, star 2, pixel 2, and you can use any color that you want. And you press done. Then you add MACD. Add MACD to indicator window. You set it to default, and the main signal will be black. The main will be black. The signal will be red. You press done. You add moving average to it. Period 1, simple previous indicators window, and the style is 2 pixel color, any color that you choose to, and press done. So you go back. So this is how it works. First, you need to identify the trend of the market first. Before you place a trade, you don't just enter a trade without knowing the trend, whether it's on an uptrend or a downtrend. Whether small time frame or higher time frame, you need to know the direction of the trend. So the moving average, 50 moving average, the exponential moving average is going to tell us the direction of the trend, even on the 1 minute time frame. So if price is below the 50 moving average and you see MACD, let me enlarge it for you to see one. You see MACD, the histogram crossing below the zero line, that's when you place your sell. So if you check from here, you can see when the histogram was below the zero line, price was below MACD, price was below the 50 EMA, and parabolic size also above the price action. That's when you place your sell. And you can use a parabolic SAR to trade your stop, to trade your profits. So as soon as you place your sell, you can see it has been going in a downwards direction for some time now. So you use parabolic SAR to trade your stop loss and to break even and stuff. So let me show you another buying opportunity. So over here, you could see when the histogram of the MACD crossed the zero line and above, the candlesticks or the price action was above the 50 EMA, and parabolic SAR was below the price action. So you place your buy over there and you put your stop loss. Even though it's a scalping strategy, always remember to put stop loss. Don't forget to put stop loss, no matter what type of trader you are, whether you are a scalper or a swinger. Stop loss and take profits are always important. So you put your stop loss at the low of the previous candle or previous two candles, depending on your risk management and how much you can afford to lose. So you can see when you place your buy trade over here, you can see the move that it has made. It has went up. If you bought over here, it would have been in profit. Yeah, so that's how it is. Let me see whether I can get another buy. So it is another buy. When MACD was above the zero line, price was also above the EMA, the 50 exponential moving average, and parabolic SAR2 was below the price. So when you buy here, you would have been in profit, and you would have closed at when the parabolic SAR changed direction. That's where you would have closed. If you do this 10 to 20 times a day, and on average you get $22 from each of the trade. $30 a day, that's good for you. So imagine $30 times 10, that's the $300. In this market, you don't have to be greedy. You just have to take what you can. Set target for yourself, then the number of trades that you make and the profits that you'll be making. So this is another example. MACD crossed the zero line below, going down, and price 2 was below the 50 EMA and below the parabolic side, you take your sell. Whenever you take your sell or buy, you see it goes in that direction. It's only on a few occasions that it goes against you. So this strategy is 90% accurate. You can backtest it, and see for yourself. And whenever MACD is above the zero line, you do not buy. So as I was saying, whenever the MACD crosses above the zero line and you see the price action is below the 50 EMA, you don't take your buy. You don't take your order for buy. That's contradicting our principle for the buy orders. So all the conditions must apply before you take your buy. So for buy, the MACD must cross above the zero line and price must be above the EMA. If price is below and MACD crosses, you have to wait for the next setup. So let me give you the last example so you can go. So there is another one. Price is below the 50 EMA and MACD cross below the zero line. You place your sell and you can ride this trend up to whenever you want or whenever the price crosses above the EMA. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long, so I think I'll have to end it here. Please do what to subscribe, like, comment, turn on notifications so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified and be able to watch it. And also feel free to contact me if you need help with trading strategies, robots, and custom indicators and account management, any other stuff. Thank you. Bye.